Hey everyone, today in this Filmora Mobile tutorial, I will show you how to make your own LUTs in Filmora Mobile. You can customize the filters or LUTs to make own LUTs and filters to give a whole new look to your video, and that is in very easy steps. So let's start today's video. Firstly, start a new project and select your footage. Then go to the Filters tab, and here you will get tons of filters suitable for all kinds of videos. Select the LUTs or filters of your choice, and then to modify it in your own style, you can use Adjust tab. In Adjust tab, you can adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, vibrance, black level, white level, brightness, highlight, shadow, temperature, and tone. Even you can adjust the HSL using HSL tab for further color adjustment. Then you can see the before and after. Let's create another one on day footage. Simply go to the Filters tab and then select the filter or LUTs of your choice, and then click on Adjust the Do the Further Color Adjustment, and you will come up with a whole new filter or LUTs. Now, creating your own LUTs and filter in Filmora Mobile is that easy. Download the Filmora Mobile and explore the whole new filters library. See you in the next video with another tutorial.